Hey everyone, Creative Venus here and welcome to another beautiful tutorial. And did you notice the background text? It's animating. So please subscribe to our channel, join the membership, and let's start the tutorial. So as you've seen in the beginning, we have placed a triangle at the bottom and a bar which is rotating at the top, and you can use this business diagram for any corporate presentation where you want to showcase some kind of relation, a balanced approach, ups and downs, exchange. So you can use this diagram for such kind of topics and subjects, and it's widely used. It's not something new, but I have created a more beautiful version of it. So we have placed here two triangles. One is big, one is small. The bigger one is at the back, the smaller one is on the front. So we will fill a gradient color in the bigger triangle, and it's metallic gradient. And as you know, to create a metal gradient you need 6 gradient stops. On the second and on the fifth you have to fill a slightly darker shade of gray, and on the first, third, fourth and sixth you have to keep lighter shade of gray close to whites, and you will get a gradient look. You can change the direction as per your own choice. Now apply the shadow effect, increase the blurriness, and I have applied a blue shadow effect. For the smaller triangle we will fill a very bright color, bright gradient, and let's use this color on one gradient stop, and on the other gradient stop we have used a light blue color. So we can try and experiment to get the desired result. I have used invert shadow and it's looking really beautiful. I've changed the shadow color to dark blue, increase the blurriness, and you will get a very nice effect. So all you have to do is try and test here. Just test all the sliders here, bars, move gradient stops here and there until you get the desired result. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna insert a rounded rectangle here, and this shape will be used to create a bar which will rotate, and it's pretty simple. Just fill the same gradient color which we have used in the smaller triangle, and now we will beautify it and apply some really nice texture and effects on it, and we will also place some metal bars on it to make it look like more of a realistic metallic bar, which is really designed very artistic. So place another rounded rectangle over it, and I'm adjusting the height and width. Now let's place it at the center, and we will fill a metallic color, and you can use this format painter option and it will apply the same effect. Now what we're going to do is we will apply some texture over it, and we will cut the metallic bar in different shapes and sizes. And to achieve that we have placed a small rounded rectangle here, and we will cut it using the merge shape options. We will subtract it, and the gradient rounded rectangle is visible from it. So we will do it on the left and right area as well, but in a different style. And for that, duplicate this rounded rectangle and place it towards left, and now select both these rounded rectangles and use the merge shapes option and subtract, and you will get this small shape, small curved shape, and rotate it and flip horizontally. Now duplicate it and place another set on the right side as well, and you must be getting the concept here. I have done this because I thought this will look good, but you can place different shapes here. You can add a plus sign, minus, and other shapes here to cut out this metallic bar to make it look more beautiful. So it's all about applying your creativity, so you can think of endless number of designs to draw on this metallic curve. So I have thought of this design, so it's also looking good and not that bad. So let's apply the same effect, not the effect, same design on this portion of the metallic bar. Let's subtract. So our shape is ready, the metallic bar is ready. We now have to increase this gradient bar, the width of this bar, and slightly reduce its height to make it 0.5, and apply the linear gradient here and choose this one, this direction. Now insert, I think we should use circle, so insert a circle shape here. Yes, and we will use this shape on left and right, and we will place icons over it. So these are the two items that will rotate on this bar. So let's try different styles here to make the circle look beautiful. So till now you have learned that this is not a very difficult design. It's pretty simple, pretty easy. We have just used two triangles, and one is big, one is small. We have filled gradient metallic color on the bigger triangle. On the smaller triangle we have filled a glowing blue gradient color. Then we have created a rounded rectangle bar and created another round rectangle with the metallic finish. We applied some cool designs on this metallic part. So now we have inserted a circle and we have designed it beautifully, and we have placed a very small rounded rectangle to showcase it as a connector between the rod, this bar, and the circle, and we have applied the metallic effect on it as well. So our one side is almost ready. We have to bring it to the front and apply the same towards the right as well. Similarly, we have placed the circle at the right side as well. Now select all the items and press Ctrl plus G to group the items. Similarly, group both the triangles and align at the center. Everything should be well aligned, because only alignment can make any slide look beautiful, and it's a very important part of any presentation slide. Now insert this shape here, and let's place it like this, and this will act as a base, a floor for this diagram, and it will create a very realistic 3D kind of effect, and which makes it look really beautiful. So we have applied a white color, and you can see it's really looking beautiful. Now insert icons here, and icons come preloaded with Office 365 subscription, and if you don't see this option, it means you don't have the Office 365. You must be having the retail version of Office 2016 or 19. So we have placed the icons at the center of these circles, and now this diagram is taking its shape and it's looking really beautiful. Now let's rotate this bar by, let's try 20 degrees. I think. Now let's try to animate this bar. For that you have to go to animations tab and add emphasis animation, and for that you have to use this option spin. Now it's complete 360-degree spin. For that you have to activate the animation pane. There you have to select start with previous, add a delay of 0.25, then change the angle here, the custom angle, to 20 degrees. Let's give it smooth and 1 second for smooth start and smooth end. Press OK, and now you can see it's animating, but there is a problem with the angle. For that what we have to do is you have to select this bar, go to format, select rotate, and then change the angle to -20. And now in the animation pane we have to do one more thing. We have to add 20 more degrees so that the angle will be 40 degrees. Now press OK, and it's working fine. Now it will only complete one animation. For that you have to select auto reverse and then repeat until the end of slide, and now it will work. And we have applied a loop here and it's keep on rotating. So this is a very cool animation, and that's what we wanted to achieve. And now you can see it's looking really awesome, and it will make your presentation look more beautiful, and you will end up creating a very winning presentation. Now insert another triangle here, a very small, and we will place it like this to make it more beautiful. So now let's insert one icon here, this balance icon. So these are just to increase the aesthetics and overall design. You can keep on trying these things, adding icons, background textures, some shapes, some metallic bars, some gradients. So these all things end up in creating a more beautiful slide. So our design is complete. What I'm doing is just doing some final finishing here. I've applied some reflection here, increase the blurriness. Now we have added title, subheading, and one tagline. But we will do one more thing here. We will duplicate the title here, increase its size, and place it in the background, and we will animate it, and it will look really cool. So now we will fade it and we will place in the background and apply a zoom animation. So I will not tell how I have applied a zoom animation here, and you have to do it on your own. It's a kind of task or a challenge. So you can apply the zoom animation here, and you can see the balance it is animating in the background. If you have liked the design of this slide or this animation, please share your thoughts in the comment section. Please subscribe to our channel, and please do it now. Hit the bell icon, hit the like button. Please join the membership. It is very important for us, and it will motivate us to bring out more such stuff. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye. Peace.